So better than she just like DM somebody and say, yo, you know, better.
Look on it like alright, look on it different now, you know, TJ. As a mother, right? As a mother to anyway have a son. Would you want somebody to come and expose Jagger? Just saying, for example, would you want somebody to come and expose Jagger? We are not TJ. You know what Annie would have said? You could have DM me privately, lady. You could have DM me privately, lady. You never expose my son. No, we just told me I tell you no. This is what me I show you. The internet I will come back and beat if something supposed to happen. You get what I'm saying?
I agree. True.
This is different ways you can do things, but I guess because the internet, everybody know. Want put them whole life on the internet.
Yeah,
to be seen. When in all honesty, we have to know say we are human beings. And when we're gone and go 6'6", we can't come back. And only thing we're gonna say if we did know, we would do it. You know what I'm saying? Because we're anger, we're in ignorance and everything.
But somebody say, they also said, which means Annie said for true, same actually grape she too.
Alright, and if he does that, why not report it? Why sit down and play a blind eye to it? Why didn't you report it? Because that means if him grip you, that means you're in an uncomfortable situation, you're uncomfortable with it. So why you never, you're in your ignorance, why you never report it?
One cheese.
True. I agree with that part there again too. That
you get what I say?
Man, you really great part and you should have reported it.
Why you never report it? Why you never go do what you need to do and report it? Can you never,
greatness, how long you in this shock for? So how you not in a shock now if you come and talk it? Because them a try to say and it probably in a shock at the time.
Alright, how long you in the shock for?
Yeah, because you come and talk everything now.
Why you never go report it?
Everything now, so you could have go to the police.
We are not the police station. We are not the police.
She right, I agree with the kid you say.
We're not the police. We just there for sit down and give you opinion and vent and chat and tell you this and tell you that, and some part of the internet I work with you and some not go work with you, Annie. And we have to understand too, the same internet I go beat you, bro. We do too much things for the internet and do things and talk as things say people with we. Them not with we, they want to see we go down. So when you feel like you do that because you want people out there know or whatever, if you never know that with revenge porn, you can't get locked up for that.
Yep.
You talk, say, Pretty Dan and Destiny have the video. Did they leak it? No.
Yep. In the video, I'm tired for telling the chat. Any farmer.
You say Pretty Dan and Destiny did have the video. Did they leak? No.
Any video at all a leak without the person.
But any all this going on the government.
Hold on there, Kitty, hold on. Why you try to tell me, say no man, my video and he leak it. We can't come go photo
yes,
and get money.
Yes,
beer man, beer video no one cost them and make beer money. I go say the whole of the man in my front. Anyone know make it.
No, but
guys, whole of the man them what they on TikTok. Text me no number when me send no one picture. No one view me I run picture.
Anybody I run joke now in a serious service in America.
The 15 somebody leave me that a 15 million. How much you want leak?
500,000 at least.
But I can say this, Kiki, you see, in America, it's a serious crime, baby.
Yeah. A serious time.
And not even just America, in the whole world, it's a serious crime.
I can't remember me outside, man.
Any form of video. If you man send your breast, or front, or arm, and you leak it.
And you go both ways too, man and woman.
And worse,
in Jamaica, the last case is a man with the money.
That happened with Black China, and I'm gonna tell you, see worse, you go on a public blood clot site, you know, where people can just go right in name and see that shit.
Even worse for it, you get alright. You see, we know as TikTokers, we know say anything we do go viral. At them time, the judge will look at it even more and say, alright then, you know, so they basically traumatize this person for the rest of them life because now they're on the media a certain way and the person have a name. So I will get it.
Somebody said in the comment, TJ say, and it still can report it. There's no limitation.
She still can.
And that's what I'm saying. There's no limitation on reporting something.
It's like how Yankee get deport. This can be perfect opportunity for you fly back and get piece of money off of Annie and over there live good life and have to come back to Jamaica when nobody know him to that. Meanwhile, first Annie life then cussing for the internet.
I know say go. You don't know for that. I won't get deep for papers.
No, but whatever situation. situation, we need to look on the logic of things, TJ, and not just because we don't like shoe or we don't like this or we don't like because a backdoor business or whatever. Look on the logics of it and say a foolishness Annie do, she should have never done it. If a she put it out, because we don't know, every commenter say no, she commenter say this a person or that the person there. So whoever send it out, whoever send it to Annie or whoever put it out, whatever way, a fuckery.
Yeah, kind of mess up for you put out something like that. I know. But then at the same time, nobody know for blame but him, you know. I him got good all of that for money.
Or you know, say money in do it for TJ.
That's how Annie say, allegedly. That's how Annie say when she asks him about him and say, you throw him the broker, desperate. That's the word. Them say him in the desperate, so him do it.
So it's a one-time thing.
That's about me the concern, but well, not concerned. I'm not this
baby, follow me, baby.
I know, you know, look like a one time.
Follow me, it's TJ.
The amount of finger where me and put in, where get so much space from if I one time.
No, I want finger missing pushing there. I want finger missing pushing there. One finger missing. Yeah, I watch it. It's up on my phone. I want finger missing pushing there.
They must say more than one.
You know, man, I want man. When my phone, I show me. No, I can't show on the panda. No, I'm not do that.
I watch your video.
Me not watch that. I am middle finger.
Yeah, and the middle one in comes
so fast?
Yeah.
Some people may say a two finger.
Me forgot look back again. Chat power tap in life, please, triple.
Me not look on that. Me not want to see that chat.
Chat, me gonna some taps. It look
Guys,
like
first triple.
Boy, I don't know if I do.
Guys, first triple, please.
Just easy. Him loose. I don't know my sister girl.
Liz, I don't know which J. I don't know which J. I don't know which J. I can't.
I just hear him about the cucumber and I say J.
Long time I not see my friend promise me, you know.
They must say don't like him the evil insect. What did I get done the most of? Me not want.
Look like I want to wheat jelly back to, you know, because that they come there to
Kitty, you don't just attack some positive and get attack, but then I saw him do it till it reaches some.
yeah, him do it till he reach there, so me now if tell you say I want wheat jelly back to man, me need to go strong up.
That till catch a speed, chat.
Chat, power taps. Yeah, him said Jay, you're best.
Guys.
Yeah, him said, chat, we're gonna do no chat, catch your speed.
I want to do that, man.
Yeah, I want to look like about a minute.
Guys,
Send on 2 donut, please.
One next donut, guys.
You know, 2 donut. Guys, we're gonna 2 donut no chat.
But in Russia, say would big door, but I want him.
Yeah, for true. You see what me tell you? Woman, they still want the man. I don't know I trust the man. Chat, we're gonna 2 donut.
Man said, use a triple chat.
Chat, catch your triple, catch your speed.
My good, man.
I don't know, OT, I try to chastise the man. One more donut chat, one more.
Comfort me.
Thank you,
I can't see what's somewhere in that video.
Thank you, Smithy. Guys, use that triple. Yo, man, if video say, he say you're the best.
You made this happen, Jay.
Him say, you're the best, Jay. Jay, you're the best.
Triple.
And then him did it. And he might go on with himself and skin up him face. You know, like you're the like you really want to come. About the cucumber. Chat triple.
Use the triple chat.
Triple, please.
Chat, begging no money gun chat. Use the triple chat. We're not a galaxy, guys. Use the triple
chat. Guys, we got the money gun. I get at 2,000 when there.
Guys, use the triple, please.
Guys, use the triple chat.
Aquarian, thank you so much.
Guys,
Come on, guys. We can use the triple chat. Guys, we don't have no money gun no galaxy. Thank you.
Guys, we'll stop them both watching. I'm not going to watch it.
Thank you. Guys,
we can get a Galaxy one money gun chat. Galaxy money gun.
Guys, don't make them pass away. Thank you, sweetie. Yeah, I just say go. Bye.
Yeah, try.
It's rough, yeah, man.
Get yourself that if I define us that I'm to you, how you feel?
No, I feel bad, of course. Ball and go on myself and just tell you, I'm done with you, I'm gone. Simple.
And I say they probably come and Kitty and...
No. You're supposed to know that. Hell no. You ever see me bring my relationship over here?
But yeah, some people hurt. Yeah, some people hurt and ball and just come and just let out it.
Yeah, then I'm gonna let it out, but they're